If you're experiencing verification issues on PayPal after multiple failed attempts, follow these steps to resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Review your information. Check the information you provided during the verification process. Ensure that your name, address, and other personal details match the information on your official documents. Step 2. Clear browser cache. Sometimes browser issues can cause problems with the verification process. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try accessing PayPal again. Step 3. Use a different device or browser. If clearing the cache doesn't work, try using a different device or web browser. This can help eliminate any device-specific issues that may be causing the verification failures. Step 4. Contact PayPal support. Before starting recovery, use the SR.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Follow up. After contacting support, keep an eye on your email or PayPal account for updates. If you don't hear back within a few days, consider following up to ensure your issue is being addressed. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your verification issues on PayPal. If problems continue, persistent communication with customer support is key to finding a solution.